The key point of this design is that you don't need to soldering each LED strip together using my folding technique, and then with the transparent lid you can put different kind of paper or diffuser in front of it and make the light effect that you want. And the third thing, which is also very convenient, is that when you finish with this, unplug it and you have your whole LED panel safe in the box, and you can put it somewhere else, take it whenever you need. So let's make it together. Hi, it's Loan from Google Tech. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful LED panel without any 3D printing, without any soldering. Let's check on the material that you need. For the material, you will need the box for sure. You can use any kind of box that you can find. In this case, I use a chocolate box. Then of course you need the LED strip. I use 5 meter of LED strip here, and I got a 20 by 20 centimeter LED panel. You can use 10 meter, 3 meter, depend on the size that you want. Next thing you need is the controller, which is the PWM controller to dim the LED, and also the connector for power. These are components I use for the LED panel. I will add all of the links in the description in case you need. When you have all of them ready, we can start with sticking the LED strip to the box. Instead of cutting and soldering the LED strip, we will fold it 2 times 45 degrees to change the direction. Sometimes you will have to fold right at the node like this. Don't press too much or you will damage the LED cell. You can keep it a little bit upright like this. When you're done with the LED strip, next step is assembling the dimmer and the power supply to the panel. So, I hope you enjoyed this design and let me know right below if you have any question about the making process. I will try my best to help. Happy making!